The internet is a place full of mysteries, unsolved puzzles and things that we don't know about. So here are some little known facts about the internet which you probably didn't know. Welcome back to a new video on my YouTube channel after a long while. I'm back, I'm Igor Galicki, a freelance web developer based in Dublin, and today I will present you mind-blowing facts about the internet. Ready? Let's go! Did you know that world's first email was sent by a black woman? The first email was sent 33 years ago on August 6, 1971. It was sent by Ray Tomlinson. However, the world's first civilian email was sent in 1969 by a black woman from a computer network, and her name was Dr. Shirley Carter. She worked as a computer programmer at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Fact number 2 is the index web contains all of the pages on the internet that have been indexed by search engines. These pages are indexed by a variety of factors, including their content, relevance to a user query, and domain authority. The index web contains at least 5.12 billion of pages. Forget about Wi-Fi, meet LiFi. LiFi is a new method of wireless communication that uses light to transmit data. Light can travel through different media such as air, water, glass, and even solid objects. LiFi uses visible light to transmit data by coupling it with an optical fiber. It works by sending the signal through a photodiode that converts light into electrical current. Just for a comparison, Wi-Fi oscillates in 60 GHz frequency band and can achieve a maximum data rate of 7 GB per second, while LiFi is 100 times faster than that. Let me know in the comments section what is your internet speed and would you be interested in having LiFi maybe in future. Just yesterday, over 125,000 domains were registered, and every single day people register their domains. Did you know that the first domain was symbolics.com, registered in 1985 by company Symbolics Inc. Now, Aaron Maisted, an investor, became the owner of this domain. Interesting fact is that this domain is worth at least 8 figures, and despite the age of this domain, Ahrefs.com rates it quite low. For comparison, my website has 50 domain rating, while the oldest domain possible on the world has only 63 domain rating. The dark web is a part of the internet which can be only accessed with special software such as Tor. It's a part of internet which you can't access through Google. The dark web is a deep and murky area of the internet where illegal transactions such as drug trafficking, gun running, and other illegal activities are common. The dark web itself raised around 2000, and 9 years later the term dark web became popular. Just look at the chart below from the Wikipedia and you will see in percentage which categories are the most popular in dark web. The internet has helped 3D printing become more popular. Before the internet, you had to go to the store to buy the 3D printer. Now you can just order it online. There are many websites which sells 3D printers, so you can order it from the comfort of your home, and as well as the 3D assets. And it has become more affordable and easier thanks to use of the internet. Did you know that the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, employs 7 people who hold 7 distinct keys to control the entire internet? In case of emergency, these people can restore the web to its previous state. Since 2010, key holders have met twice a year on both the east and west coast of the United States to preserve internet security. Some say they are from Portugal, Germany, Sweden and USA, however their true identities are not known. The internet is a vast and complex place. From email to streaming videos, it's hard to imagine a world without World Wide Web. It's even harder to imagine a time before the internet, when only governments, universities and research centers had computers. You can love the internet or you can hate it.